guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're doing another mask of the week. It is dark here in my house and I just took my braids out, so I already cleansed my hair and applied my deep treatment in the shower, of course. And I'm using the Bodyworks split in repair mask. It's this one here. Okay, so I've already applied a little bit of the product in my hair. Great slip. It smells kind of floral and chemical-y to me. I'm going to apply a little bit more to my hair and show you guys what it looks like when it applies to my hair. It's a 16 fluid ounces of deep treatment. It's pretty thick. You can't really see because it's white, but it's pretty thick and creamy. And a little bit goes a long way. I'm going to apply this much to my hair. Cap on, and you can use a plastic bag. You don't have to go and buy these caps. If you have low porosity hair, you want to use heat while deep conditioning. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. This is the hot therapy wrap if you're new here, and I just put that in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then I kind of wrap it on my hair like so, and just kind of twist it around. And my hair has nothing on it, and it does feel stronger. So I can get a close-up of it. It does feel stronger. It still is very soft. So I really enjoy that deep treatment. My hair feels very soft still, and it feels strengthened, and I really enjoyed the conditioner. And it was only $8.99, so you get 16 ounces for $8.99. I think that's a great deal, and especially for strengthening the hair. I really enjoyed this conditioner. And again, that's the Bodyworks Split End Repair Mask and that's the Almond Marshmallow brand. Bye guys.